So this is the issue. When you put in this clip, it doesn't click. It doesn't hold the radar in place. I'm gonna try to take it apart and see if I can fix this button. I'm gonna start by taking out these 4 screws and then taking this lid off. So I got to this point, like I just pretty much all the plastic after those 4 screws came apart. Now I'm gonna take off this button and see what's wrong with it. Okay, now taking out these screws, this does not come out, so I have to take out these 3 screws, take this out, and hopefully this button will pop out. Here's the issue. With time, this button doesn't, like it deformed down, and now this little tab right here on the top, it doesn't want to hold the clip in. So now I'm going to try to heat gun it and push it back so the plastic is back in place. You see how it's like bent down over like 2 years of usage? So because I don't hang it like perfectly straight, so I'm just gonna try to correct it with heat. So this is my plan. I'm just gonna heat it up and keep pushing here down until it becomes lower than that point right there, like that. I'm gonna make it like this. So with the help of a heat gun, I was able to bring it down to this level. Now it's at the correct level and should work. I'm just gonna let it cool down to like solidify in this position, and hopefully the clip will work. Nice click.